Chapter 13 discusses about personal selling and sales promotion. So bear in mind that we're in the P promotion section, okay? Let's talk about personal selling. What is it? So basically it's the use of human interaction, right? As a person, we call them salesman, right? To get into the sales process. So the objective of salesman is to be the intermediaries between the company and our customers. So they can communicate to our customer better. Some of the industries, for example, real estate industry or insurance companies, right? They really need salesmen because sometimes their product is so hard to sell or it's so expensive that we need human, right, to talk to the customer, right? So we have 7 steps for personal selling, starting with number 1, prospecting and qualifying, right? So we have to kind of identify who's the right target, and then we qualify that he's the target customer. And then we have to come to the second step, which is pre-approach. So we have to learn about the customer that we selected, prepare our information. And then the third one is the approach step. So we approach to the customer, right? And say hi, do whatever. And then the fourth step is presentation and demonstration. So we have prepared the presentation. So now we present to them and talk to them and explain whatever you have to explain. The fifth steps is handling objections. So basically, sometimes they will decline your customers, right? So you have to have your mental ability to handle the objections from your customer, and then you try harder and harder, and then next time maybe they'll buy it from you, okay? And number 6 is closing, right? So once you have tried harder, right, hard enough, they will eventually buy it from you. And then the 7th step is to follow up to the customer, right? So you have to ask them if they're okay using your product, whatever. The second one is sales promotion, right? Which is the short-term incentive for your customer because you get them discounts, right? So we can target sales promotion to 4 types of customer, being the first one, final buyers, right? So the end customer, for example, the discount voucher or special deals, whatever. The second target is retailer and wholesaler. So we have to try to convince them to sell the products for us, right? Another name we call this trade promotion. The third one is business customers, right? So we call it business promotion. So it's a way for businesses to come and talk and like make deals and everything. So as a marketer, you have to think of the business deals as well. And the last one is to target this sales promotion to the salesman or sales force itself in the company. So you build them incentive, you kind of create the culture. So they are willing to do more because they think that your incentive is worth their sales effort. Okay, now that you have everything about sales and sales promotion, let's do the Google form.